Hi, third grade. For tonight's homework, you're going to continue working with conductors and insulators like we did in class today. Remember, today in class, you were given bags of items listed here in this column, and you had to build the appropriate circuit to determine if the items on this list were conductors or insulators. So, do you remember what a conductor is? Do you remember what an insulator is? A conductor is a material that allows electricity to flow through it. An insulator would be a material then that does not allow electricity to flow through it. Think about the conductors and insulators from the list and that were in our bags today. All right, for tonight's homework, the first thing we're going to do is watch a video clip.
Look once again at the paperclip. The paperclip is made of steel. Steel and many other metals carry an electric current very well. Anything that carries or conducts an electric current easily is called a good conductor. Rubber, on the other hand, is not a good conductor. Things that don't carry an electric current well are called insulators. If you put this rubber eraser on top of the two screws, the bulb doesn't go on because the rubber doesn't conduct the electric current from one screw to the other. People who work on electric power lines wear special clothing to protect themselves, including rubber gloves and sleeves that insulate them from the electric current. And this brings up another point. Electricity can be dangerous.
Now, for number 2, you are to find conductors and insulators around your house. And then you are going to list them on the science sheet that you got in class today after you build the circuit diagram to test the objects. So let's take a look. Here was the sheet that you should all have at home with you. You got it today in class. So you're going to look around your house for items that you might believe are conductors and those that are insulators. You need to build the appropriate circuit to test these objects. It's the same circuit that we built today in class. You should have all the tools that you'll need in your electricity box to do this. Okay, once you find some items and you build your circuit to test, if the light bulb lights, you would put them on, right, this list over here. If you build the circuit and put your object in and the light bulb will not illuminate, it belongs then on, right, this list. It's an insulator. All right, so we've done number 1, or we've done number 1, I've explained 2 and 3. And then for 4 and 5, you're going to draw circuit diagrams including the items. So for 4, you'll draw a circuit diagram including one of the conductors that you found around your house. And for number 5, you'll draw a circuit diagram including one of the objects you found around your house that is an insulator. And you'll put them here. So for example, draw your wire. Okay. And your battery, your other wire. And then this is hard to do without a mouse. Your bulb. And then your other wire. And then, actually I'll just, that's the mystery object. that you found around your house. All right, and then you need to make sure everything gets labeled. Oops. Okay, and then let's say your object was a fork. And that object would also be listed up here, right? Here. And then down here, you'll want to make sure that you label all your parts here as well. So we have bulb, we have wire, we have the fork, which that does not look like a fork. I would actually draw a fork there, and the battery. All right. Don't forget to do that because right here, label the diagrams. This your conductor diagram needs to be labeled, bulb, battery, wire, and whatever your object is, and your insulator diagram needs to be labeled as well. All right, when you are finished, then you need to make sure you show it to someone at home so that it looks tip-top shape. Bring it back to school tomorrow. Do not forget your electricity box and all the pieces that go in it. We will need them tomorrow in class, and then I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a great time doing this. This is a really fun lesson, and I will see you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye, third graders. Bye-bye.